What's going on, YouTube? Just coming at you with a quick little unboxing and stuff. Just picked up little things and stuff. Still gotta get my electronics for the buggy and the truggy and everything, but you know, like I said, I can wait on that for right now. But just picked up something and everything, was able to get a good deal and stuff, so let's go ahead and get to it. No buck knife or nothing like that, but there you see beachrc.com, you know, out South Carolina, you know, good folks over there and everything. So I see my man Corey over there, EKJ 24,000. See, he was up in that Beach RC line the other day. Yeah. So, there you have it, right on top. I know that's gonna make, you know, my boy, that's gonna make my boy happy. Matter of fact, a couple of my boys, it's gonna make them happy. Got my Annihilators, Corey. Now that's gonna make my boy Corey, that's gonna make him happy. That's gonna make my boy Sherman happy. My boy my boy RR. I know that's gonna make him happy. My man Family Affair. I know that's definitely gonna make him happy, you know. Okay, but just got a little bit of after run oil and everything. You know, I've never been too much into the after run oils and everything and stuff. You know, this is ultimate brand after run oil. Let's see, that's the part number for it. Never really been too much into the after run oils and everything, but lately I've been getting more into it. I say over like the last maybe 2 years or so, I'm getting more into using after run oil and everything. Mainly because like my engines may sit for a while and everything without me being able to use them and stuff. So originally that really wasn't the case. You know, I was able to run them at least once, twice a week and everything, you know, for a good long while. But you know, life happens and everything, and responsibilities shift and everything, you know. So it just got to the point where, okay, I can't run my engines, you know, and rotate them that much and everything to keep them running at least, you know, once a week or at the longest 2 weeks and stuff. So been using that. Been using after run oil, you know. Also got the Novarossi after run oil. So just picked up, you know, another bottle of that because that was running low. Got another screwdriver and everything. You can use this, you know, as a tuning screwdriver, a little 150 millimeter long and everything. You know, feels pretty stout and everything, so that should be good. Got my steel clutch set up, you know, for the Losi, so I can finally get that Losi all the way together and everything. Got a 14 tooth bell and 15 tooth bell, and that's basically gonna go. I'm gonna put the Rex Legend 28 in the Losi RTR and stuff. You know, I know a lot of people gonna say, you know, it's gonna tear stuff up or whatever, but I figured, you know, I put I had got some replacement diff gears and everything. Instead of going with the 4.0 diffs or 3.0 whole diff, the case, the ring gear, the pinion gear, along with the satellite gears, I'm gonna just stick with what came in the RTR, and then I just got replacement RTR satellite gears, the spider gears and stuff. So I moved it up from just having the 2 spider gears to now at least it has 4 spider gears and everything. So, I mean, my Rex Legend isn't modified or anything like that. So I figure it should be able to hold up. And if not, you know, then we'll go from there. But, so, got this right here. Put that off to the side. And, you know, all of y'all that's been on the Reds program, Sherman, RC, Corey, RR, who else? Family Affair. There's a bunch of y'all out there that's been already on the Reds train and stuff. You know, I know I'm missing some names. I shouldn't even be trying to name everybody, but I definitely know them have been on the Reds racing, so y'all are familiar with that packaging. And so that's the pipe that I got right there, the X1 pipe. I seen Family Affair, you know, I seen your video, and I seen where you had picked up the X1 pipe and everything. So you know, I like the way that was and stuff. So said, let me go ahead and get that. And so this is gonna be the star of the show. And that's it right there, what it is. Just bust it open. Boom. This little felt. Black and red. Black, white, and red. So this is gonna be my first Reds engine. Feels pretty good. Actually feels pretty light, to be honest with you, for an engine. I don't know what that's all about, but you know, it does feel, for an engine, feel pretty light. Let's get it out the plastic. Wow. Yeah. And back plate looks pretty snazzy in person, I must say. I'm just looking at it and stuff. I hope it's in the camera. See that Mario Rossi S9 2034. I guess that's a serial number for the block or something. So 2-needle carburetor. We got this plate blocked off where the 3rd needle may be. Let's see. It just 7mm Venturi. It's a short needle carb. Let me see. Yeah, short needle carb. So that should be fairly easy to tune and stuff. And once again, you know, another engine that'll fit the theme and stuff. So, like I said, my thing with my race kits and stuff, it's gonna be sort of more of a blacked out theme and stuff. Okay, so control date 3/17/2020, so March 17, 2020. So, you know, that's good. That happened right in the middle of everything that was going on over there. Manual. Let's see. Alright, so the carburetor supply with the engine is preset for break-in procedure. After the break-in is completed, it must be adjusted for normal use conditions. Carburetors have 3 adjustments available. I know most of y'all guys already know all of this stuff, seeing all of it and everything. Like I said, this is my first venture down the Reds Road and everything. And, I did have some Picos way back in the day, but that was basically on-road Picos and stuff. It's the first time dealing with a Pico engine probably since, what, 2003, 2000. I think I ran Picos between 2000 or like 99 and 2003, somewhere around there. Okay. I see on this one, they don't got an option to go from your short needle to your long needle. When I was on the Red site, I noticed that they had options where on a lot of the old, I guess the older generation engines, or they say this is the S-line engine. I think it's like R-line or M-line engines, like the Reds R5Rs and the WR7s and WR5. Those engines, when I was looking online, stickers and stuff, when I was looking online, I noticed that basically those engines, the parts breakdown and stuff show where you could use optional low-end needles. You can use a short low-end needle, or they had an optional long low-end needle, depending on which one came with that particular engine and stuff. Let's put this back. Had to get me a Ziploc bag, you know, put that in a Ziploc and put it back in the box. Move that out the way. And, let's get this in here. Well, one thing I must say, is definitely packaged in a bag better than the Nova pipes and stuff that's been coming out lately. But so their bag basically, matter of fact, these are the bags that Nova pipes come in now. No protection, no nothing. I know Nitro Mike has said something about that, you know, in one of his last videos. This joker right here is signed, sealed, and delivered for show. Okay. Got a little bit of action. As y'all see, I ain't too great with the unboxing. You know, my production skills ain't like that. Okay. And fingerprints on it already. But I like that. I do like this right here. You know, welded as one piece and everything. Definitely don't have to worry about springs breaking right here, anything like that. You know, no exhaust leaks because your gasket messed up. 2143 X1 torque. So I think it's what I guess would be the medium hitter. with the 2143 just all welded together. Lighting and stuff right there. That's cool. Lighting all right through there. Pretty cool. Well, y'all, I just want to do a quick unboxing, which actually ended up being, I guess, 15-20 some minutes long. But just wanted to shoot that, let y'all know what I was up to. All right, I'll holler at y'all on the next one.